Welcome back, traders! It's so great to see you again. True Forex Funds is back and we got something really exciting in store. So let's dive into the world of our new and robust trading platform, cTrader, and get a closer look at how this platform works. Get started by seamlessly connecting to your trading account using only your email and password. On the left side, easily navigate through markets and instruments or create a personalized watch list. Monitor your positions at the bottom or utilize the enhanced active symbol panel for detailed insights on symbols, depth of market, and upcoming economic news events. On the upper and right-hand side, you'll find most of the tools you'll need to analyze the charts. Customize your charts to perfection with just a right click. Choose your preferred viewing options, colors, or background images and save them as your default view. You can also select your preferred time zone. In Settings, tailor your chart control preferences, enable quick trading, or run multiple profiles simultaneously for those comprehensive multi-time frame analysis. Lastly, select your desired time frame and set your order with cTrader's customizable risk management approach. With these steps, you are all set to optimize your trading experience. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our Customer Happiness Center. Until next time, happy trading! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and leave your feedback in the comments below. For more success stories that can help you become a better trader, click here. If you're interested in our educational content, click here. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, don't forget to subscribe here. See you in our next video.